Hi and welcome to this week's STEM challenge from the Women's Engineering Society Young Members Board. So this week I'm going to be making a fire extinguisher. So this card is from the Dyson Foundation. It's one of the challenge cards, and to do this you need some one or a few candles. So this will be the flame that we're going to extinguish with the fire extinguisher. You need some matches, you need an empty jam jar, and you'll need some baking soda and some vinegar. So this is what's going to, this is going to be our chemical reaction that's going to make the fire extinguisher. So I'm going to light the candle, first. And then what we're going to do is mix together a little bit of baking soda, and a little bit of vinegar, and that should create quite a bit of foam. If I can get this open. So I'll put a spoonful of that in, and then let's see what happens when I do this. Quite a lot of foam being created here. So this reaction is actually releasing carbon dioxide, which is heavier than air. So it's currently like sitting at the bottom of this jar, and I'm just going to tip the carbon dioxide out. Do you see that? It's extinguishing these candles. That's quite cool. So this works because to keep a fire going, you need three things. You need heat, you need a fuel, and you also need oxygen. So by removing any of those three things, you kill a fire. So because we're suffocating this candle with carbon dioxide, it's killing this flame because there's no more oxygen supply to it. So it's quite easy. Have a go at that, and let us know how you get on, and we will see you next week. Bye.